खबर विस्तारान बायल आनी भुरगीं उदरगत खात्या खातीर भलायकी खात्यान सल्लागार कमिटी नेमल्या. तशेंच बायलां आयोग अध्यक्षपदार ॲडव्होकेट शुभलक्ष्मी नायक हांची निवड केल्या म्हण म्हायती भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन दिल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस आनी गौतम शिरोडकार.
There are several issues like in terms of nutrition, in terms of issues pertaining to children. Crores of rupees are being spent by the government to ensure that the nutrition is not only provided to the children at the Anganwadi and the Balwadi level, but also for pregnant women, lactating mothers. This ration is going, and we felt that some type of monitoring is required. And as a result of which we felt that in certain cases, whether this monitoring is actually happening, whether that nutrition is actually going to the mother, whether the nutrition is actually going to the lactating mother. So as a result, I just circulated small points as to what we plan to do. Based on after reading thoroughly, talking to several people, trying to understand what are the issues where we are lacking, I felt that these areas have been neglected. And as a result of which, to put a thrust on these areas, I thought a monitoring committee is a must. And apart from monitoring committee, to put monitoring systems in place, it is not only spending crores of rupees and making ration available, but we have to ensure that the people and the focus, that is the children, the mothers, the lactating mothers, receive this in a proper manner. You look at the survey that is mentioned by the NFHS. The Goa indicator revealed breastfeeding children from 6 to 23 months receiving an adequate diet is only 9.1%. This is not the ratio, or this is not the statistics that we want to be at. We want to raise this from 9.1% to a much higher level. And it is important that we do this, and for that the steps are taken right now. The first 1,000 days definition is also given as to what is it that we are talking of the first 1,000 days. And apart from that, several years, the Anganwadi workers and Anganwadi helpers and teachers have not been given the type of training that need to be given. So we are proposing that they should be given orientation, and annually they should be given training from experts from the field of nutrition, experts in trying to see that these experts come forward, and we have 3 days of intensive programs, 6 days of intensive programs annually for these Anganwadi workers and helpers. And I'm saying top experts, we've already moved the file. We're getting one person who was involved with Anganwadi workers in Maharashtra and worked extensively at a larger scale. Goa is a much smaller scale. And apart from that, what we are going to try and do is try and train 100 ANMs from the health department who will play the role of interacting on a regular basis, and every quarter orientation and briefing of these your Anganwadi workers and helpers. What we need to initiate immediately is empowerment of the whole community with understanding of the importance of early nutrition, which is not happening at the moment. At the moment, we are using it just like a play school. Knowledge and skills and best practice for infant and young child nutrition to promote maintenance of health. Evidence-based skill building and breastfeeding, appropriate complementary feeding, thereby preventing devastating acute as well as chronic malnutrition in children. Improve practice of hygiene, sanitation by understanding the correlation between diarrhea and malnutrition. Decrease consumption of junk food and empty calories, thereby improving health outcome in short as well as long term. Children will be more likely to reach their physical and intellectual potential. Reduction of maternal and infant as well as child mortality rate, which has always been the objective of the health department. You are aware that we have received certain funds also because we reduced the infant mortality.